Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem in Rust programming. The problem at hand involves deserializing JSON data into an enum with specific variants. We have an enum called flag with 3 variants 1, 2, and 3, which includes an optional value. While deserializing JSON representations of these variants, we face a challenge with the 3 variant. Now let's dive into the solution for this problem. The key lies in structuring the enum and its deserialization logic properly. By using the serde untagged attribute along with custom deserialization implementations, we can effectively handle the JSON representation for each variant. Starting with the enum structure, we define flag with its variants and include a custom deserialization for it. Additionally, we introduce intermediary types like ComplexFlag, SimpleFlag, 3Flag, and 3Data to assist in deserialization. Next, we implement the conversion from ComplexFlag to flag by matching the variants correctly based on the deserialized data. This step ensures that the JSON data is parsed and mapped to the appropriate enum variant. Moving on, we proceed to deserialize the JSON data using the defined structures and implementations. By parsing the provided JSON examples, we can verify that the deserialization process produces the expected output for each variant of the flag enum. The final piece of the puzzle involves manually implementing the deserialize trait for flag. This allows us to handle the deserialization of JSON data into the enum directly, providing a comprehensive approach to dealing with different forms of input. In summary, by structuring the enum, defining intermediary types, and implementing custom deserialization logic, we can effectively handle complex JSON representations for enums in Rust. I hope this solution helps you overcome similar challenges in your projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or any witty Rust jokes you might have. Happy coding!